What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Right now, we got to talk about it. We got to talk about Arrival. And right now, in this bearish market, I know a lot of people out there, like myself, wondering what exactly is going on. But I'm about to get ready and tell you exactly how it is. And how it is pretty much we are in a bearish market right now, and EV technology is basically on a downward trend. But the great part about this, again, I'm not a financial advisor. The reason why I say the great part about this is because I predicted and I knew that the EVs were going to go on a downward trend before it went on a bullish trend. Because right now, in this inflation, in this market right now, we are seeing stocks and everything drop. Okay? It's going to go down before it goes up because a lot of people are still believing in other things besides EV technology. And EV technology is the future. Me, you, and everyone else know this right now. Right now, we are witnessing a time where everything is just coming into play. And obviously, with everything just coming into play, we're not going to see a whole bunch of technology and EVs like that grow that quickly. So eventually, with EV technology, it's going to continue to grow without a shadow of a doubt. Even if you don't believe in EV technology, we're seeing it right here. A lot of people are using tags to cash transactions, debit cards, cashless society is coming up. So obviously, when EV technology do begin to take off, it's going to be when everybody is not even thinking about EVs. So that's why I'm steady preparing. With Arrival being fairly new, but it dropped down so drastically in this market. Well, my whole thing is that this is what happens. Okay, see how I got stuck when I said EV technology is here, and I feel like by 2025, 2030, there's going to be a lot more things to come. I believe that our phone has shown us how far technology can go, especially with battery usage. And if they can get the batteries under control when it comes to mostly all EVs, not just Arrival, also NIO, Tesla, and everything. And when they can have longer lasting batteries, which I do believe is going to happen, okay, I believe that it's going to change the prices on these right now. Right now, we are witnessing the beginning of a company that had drastically went down, and I believe that it can change and it will change. Obviously, it wasn't put out there for no reason, so there will be future growth in the future, just not right now. And that's why I say it, for me, it is long term. So you can believe what you want to believe, and I know that it's a downward trend, and I don't feel like I'm wasting my money because I do believe in a company like this. And the reason why I say I believe in a company like this is because they wouldn't have thought of something like this if they didn't truly believe that this thing can grow and this thing happen. I actually seen concepts and everything about which direction that they planned on going. But again, with them building their technology and where they were at, I believe the only way to get better is to continue advancing. And right now, in this down market, what better way to grow your company and grow your technology, okay? Because that's the thing of the future between 2025 and 2030. A lot of people is looking forward towards the new technology that's already happening right in front of us, okay? So eventually, the world will eventually accept this type of technology regardless. So right now we seeing NIO around $9. We seeing Tesla drop from a drastic price from where it's at. The reason why I'm calling out those other ones is because you got to see how much the price has went down. I believe that in Arrival is a long-term investment regardless. Okay, as long as the company is staying on, as long as they're still building, you know, it is what it is. All stocks and crypto drop at a certain point drastically. Okay, this is a bear market for overall all the market. This is not a full recovery inside the market. Come on, y'all seen what happened when Arrival first dropped. You seen where the price was at. So of course you're going to get this. You're going to get these prices like this. Hey, what you think about the EV company and Arrival? What do you think about it, like technology wise?
I think that it's going to expand, obviously, because all technology expands. But I do feel like they need to come on and bring something new to the table.
You do?
Yes, because their shareholders are very scared.
Yeah, and in time like this, with the inflation being the way it is and technology being the way it is, eventually it's going to happen, right?
I mean, I agree, yeah, but I think that since their deal fell through with Uber, I think now they need to come with something now. Because their shareholders are waiting and waiting and waiting, and we are excited to see the new arrival cars. They need to give us what we've been asking for.
And that's a good touch up on that too. A lot of people were excited for what they had to offer, and I do believe with the concept that they put out there, it had me super excited, just like all the other shareholders out there.
It actually looked better than Tesla. I ain't even gonna lie.
They
They looked
did.
better than Tesla,
They were up there,
in my personal opinion.
and that's why we invested as investors. We was like, "Yo, look at
Because
this!
remember, they were doing like the UPS trucks and
Yeah."
all of that stuff, company cars.
And it couldn't have been fake. It had to be real.
Yeah, and I was excited to be able to see your local guy, USPS guy, in a brand new car.
My thing is maybe the world wasn't ready for what they had to offer right now. That's why I
Well,
believe
they
right
can't
now
even accept cryptocurrency right now. So,
the world.
yeah.
Right, right. It's transitioning over to that. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So imagine how much money you'd be saving if you didn't have a gas car. Gas is $3.50 a gallon.
And I said if they perfected that battery, we're going to see some big gains in that EV technology company. Solar energy at that, so that way your battery can stay on.
Yeah.
Maybe around nighttime they might have to figure out the battery usage. Maybe they could put solar lights at the gas station to where you can park there for a few and then charge that battery right on up.
Because I am going to be honest, it is kind of a drag having to wait for your car to charge.
And that's one thing I thought that was going to be an issue too. But with the production, I feel like with the rival, we just got to see some more that comes out. Like I said, every stock dropped
Yeah,
before it
that's
scored.
true. That's true. That's true. Every stock drops.
Everything.
So, I mean, I would just keep holding. I mean, what do you got to lose? A couple of $100. People spend that
Right.
on shoes, anime figurines, video games,
And I,
so
yeah,
I'd take the chance because it's better than, not taking the chance and still being poor or broke or whatever.
right. And that's why I believe in long-term investing. Thank you so much for touching up on that right there. Long-term investment, that's why I always call it, it is what it is. Even if you feel like you're losing, you're not losing. You're making an investment for yourself in the future and for the future of technology. With that being said, I am Lieutenant God. I hope that y'all all enjoyed this. And I hope that y'all all had a great day. Again, continue to make great investments and have a great day. And I'm out.